This is Adriana Ely's first laundromat experience on the road. She's taking it really well. Eating her Cheetos.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no...
First stop for propane. I don't think we really needed it yet, but he wanted to know how much we used, and we're about to find out. So, Mr. Ely, how much have we used?
19 gallons.
Don't notice it as much.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me.
Is there flowers on the back? They're on Facebook. Oh, cool.
And you can head out to that.
Yes, we'll go the one-way street.
Yeah, you gotta receive that. Thank you now.
Just kind of pick and grab what I want, or?
Well,
or
yeah.
just let you know?
Did they?
That's what we're doing too. We're all over the world.
How long have you guys been doing this?
Well, I tell you, we sold vegetables for 20 years outside under one of those canopies, and I got tired of it blowing away and the weather beating me up. So this makes the vegetables preserve a lot better, just being out of the sun, you know. This is the third year now we've been doing this.
This is awesome.
Always wanted to do it and just never got around to it, but we can go anywhere with it. In Mobile Farmers Market, we put heat in it. We go till about the holidays with it, and then it gets a little too cold.
That's awesome. I know we want to get some of the jalapeno brats and
Sure.
a dozen eggs.
Sure.
For sure.
They're farm-raised eggs, so. Oh, okay. I talked too much.
And I haven't had those since my grandmother used to make them. Oh, that feels good.
Where are you from?
We're actually from Iowa, like by Iowa City, and we
Okay.
just started traveling May 1st in an RV.
Oh,
Because I'm a photographer, and
oh, wow.
yeah, so I'm going to be taking... We're headed to the Badlands.
Oh, yeah.
What was the brats?
706. And eggs, $4. Anything else for you guys?
I think that's it.
From the Badlands, that's quite a place.
I have a few photo shoots set up for the Badlands, so...
In Yankton. Yeah.
Alright. 822 is your change.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Twilight, I'm not sure this is really acceptable behavior. The sink is not really a bed. But, well, you really like it.
Can't wash my hands.
Hey, Twilight. Twilight! Apparently this is his new favorite spot. The bathroom sink.
He has one like every day.
Yeah, it does change a lot. Alright, let me take a picture. Twilight! Okay, stop. He'll look down in a second.